if you're a veteran or if you're active duty here or if you're a family member, just stop by and find out what they do. They've got resources for everybody, regardless what stage of military service that you're in. So, I mean, how do they get engaged? What do they do? Do you guys have intro things, or they just come knock on the door and go, I'm a veteran or I'm a spouse?
Mount Carmel's front door is always open. Even during COVID, we didn't shut down. Snowstorms, we open our doors, and people walk in every day saying, I heard about you guys, but I don't know about it. So we do orientations for volunteers, new clients, but if you just want to find out what we're doing, check out the website. Thank you, CCS, for that. And come check us out. And it's all about partnerships, because just like in the military, you're not going to do this by yourself.
I know you guys are looking for other sponsorships. It's a great organization to support. I mean, I joke with Linda Sink that, she's always calling me up, asking me for money, but absolutely, if you want to change veterans' lives, this is a great organization to support, because there are definitely veterans out there that need help. They're not all Paul or my dad, who's, retired colonel that, doesn't need a ton of help. There are some that are out there that desperately need help, active duty and veterans. And you guys even go, veteran stand down or hope. Yeah, the homeless and stuff, right?
We do homeless veterans, food pantries. We just got a truckload of sleeping bags and backpacks, and it's all about taking care of the people that have taken care of us.
Yeah. So if you want to sponsor something, absolutely give these guys a call.
Email me, go to the website, and it doesn't matter if you spent 3 months in, got med board, or you retired as a 4-star general. These doors are open to everybody. There's a lot of people out there that think just because, I got med board, or I get even dishonored with discharge.
So a big chicken dinner, they can still
come on out. These doors, if you sign the dotted line at any point in your life, you're a veteran and you're welcome in the doors here that will help you out. So everyone deserves it. As long as you consciously made that decision to support your country and work for your country and serve the military, you're welcome in these doors. So thank you for that plug, Blake. It's true, and everybody needs to know that. So again, gentlemen, thank you so much for coming on. It's always fun, and I'll be on again soon.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, guys.